I don't think my braces are coming out today because I have this gap in my front teeth. And I can still be popped through it and like squirt water through it like a water gun. So I don't think my braces are coming out today, which makes me really sad. I want to cry. I've had braces for 2 years. 2 years. I really want lime green braces, but the last time I went, they were all out of the lime green. So I really hope that they have lime green power chains today because the bitch is gonna cry. If I have to get royal blue again or black because all the other colors change so quickly, my pre-workout keeps staining my, like, guess who got